Just picked this up at Walmart. It's the Big Gong Show. Kind of weird. We're going to do a product test on it. It says that it takes all calibers from 22 up to 50 cal, and supposedly it's a self-healing target. Well, we brought 5 or 6 different rifles, a couple crossbows, a couple handguns. We're going to put it through the ringer. And how much was it? 24 bucks?
25, yeah.
$25. We're going to see if it's worth it, because if it's totally torn up by the end of the day, I don't think it's worth 25 bucks a day for shooting. So we'll see what it can take. All right, first couple shots on the Big Gong Show. We're going to be doing full metal jacket, 9mm, 115 grain. We'll see how it stands up. Go take a look at it.
Is it my turn?
So I fired 7, and there's 7 holes in the gong.
It sealed itself pretty good.
Wow, so
Not bad.
not bad so far. We'll pump it up a couple notches. We'll shoot a couple 40 rounds at it, and we'll get back to you when we're ready. Glock 22, 40 cal. See how the gong holds up. Let's go downrange, check it out. How many rounds was that I fired?
5.
5? Okay, so
Some bigger ones here.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
a little bit bigger holes, but still not too bad. Still holding up okay. All right, we're gonna do a little rapid fire on the gong. 2 9mm, 140 cal. We'll see how it holds up to relentless fire.
See how it does.
Yeah, let's check it out. Oh yeah, a lot more holes. Somebody shot right in the A. It was a good shot.
Still not much damage on the
No.
back.
Still looks like they're sealing up okay. Good deal.
There you go.
Some 223 on the gong.
Did we shoot the gun with it yet?
We have not shot the gong with 223. Ghost here just put quite a few rounds into it. Let's see how the holes look. These are moving a little faster, but they're a little smaller too. So we've used and abused this thing today, haven't we?
We have. Well, it still looks like the 40s are penetrating the...
Yeah, 40s are making the
deepest.
biggest holes, but this thing's sealing up around these edges pretty good, man. That's, I don't know. It might be worth 25 bucks at this point.
Yeah, I mean...
I say we hit it with the crossbow, see what a bolt does to it.
Oh, we got some gouges out in here in the...
Oh wow, we ended up hitting the rings, hitting the edges a little bit, huh?
Just a little bit.
There you go. Yeah, sure enough. Okay.
Overall, it's staying pretty intact.
Nice.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and shoot critical duty hollow point. See what it does to the gong here. All right, we can see the entry wound right about here. Made a little bit different pattern than the rest of it. We'll go ahead and see the back. It did a little bit more than a regular 9mm would have. So Well, that just proves how effective hollow points are. So,
Let's see the critical.
turns out.
Okay, just some final thoughts on the Big Gong Show here. We'd taken it out to one of our favorite spots in the mountains and shot it up with 9mm 40, 223, 5.56, stuff like that. And then actually Aaron took it up afterwards and shot it with some, was it just bird shot out of the
Just
12
bird
gauge?
shot, yeah.
Yeah, bird shot out of the 12 gauge. And you know what? The little thing held up real well. It's got all kinds of just spalling and small pieces of lead caught in it, and it sealed up all the time. And I'll tell you what, it was 25 bucks. And at this point right now, if you hadn't hit some of the sides like we did and damaged the little frame of it, you could take some of those shoot and see circular sticky targets, easily place them right here, and you've got yourself another target stand, or you know, more to shoot at. So it's not at the end of its life, but you know, we tore it up pretty well. If you see the front there, it's just peppered. But I think it was worth 25 bucks, and like I said, there's an application where you can reuse it and keep using it.